Now we have learned to form simple sentences. In some cases, these sentences can also be used as questions. For example, when we need to ask someone, "Are you French?" Vous êtes. Do you remember this? This is the être verb in vous conjugation. It is être. Vous êtes français. So this is a statement. You are French. However, if we add a question mark at the end, it becomes a question. When you meet someone and you want to know, you can ask, "Vous êtes français?" Are you French? Similarly, many sentences may be used as statements or as question words. However, there are some question words that we need to learn. For example, où. The word où means where. Où. The word combien means how many. Some of the statements that we use as questions can also be formed using what we call as est-ce. This is what we use to form a question. It means, is it that? For example, the previous sentence we took, vous êtes français. If we add this statement before this, that is, est-ce, it means, is it that you are French? The meaning doesn't change. However, it gives a structure to your sentence. If you just finish it with this, it also means the same. And it is also a valid question. However, we can also use est-ce que vous êtes français? It means, is it that you are French? So now, I think you'll be thorough with the conjugation of être. Can we say it once again? Shall we write it together? Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Il est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Vous êtes. Ils sont and elles sont. This is a very important verb, so you have to keep practicing it every day. It is different from the other words, so you need to practice. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So, are you thorough with this verb? Shall we move on to learn some more of the ER verbs?